In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sora 2 Fisherman Vlogging Easy Learn. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official Sora page without memorizing links. In the search box, type the word Sora and press enter. You should see the official Sora site at the top of the results. Look for the trusted domain and the description that mentions Sora's video generation capabilities. Click that result to go straight to the Sora homepage or the Explore section. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt box where you describe the video you want Sora to create. Think of this prompt like giving directions to a talented video team. The clearer and more specific you are, the better the results. For this tutorial, we'll craft a fisherman vlog at sunrise. Type a prompt along these lines. A warm sunrise selfie video where a rugged fisherman excitedly shows off a massive catch on the dock, laughing, gesturing, and sharing the moment with natural ocean sounds and golden light. This sentence packs in all the essentials: the time of day, the camera style, the character, the action, the setting, the mood, and the audio atmosphere. Notice how words like warm, golden, selfie, and natural ocean sounds guide Sora toward the exact look and feel you want. After you've finished your prompt, review it for clarity. Remove any vague wording and make sure the core details are present. If something is important, say it plainly. When it looks good, click Submit. Sora will begin processing your request and generating the video based on your description. This can take a little time, depending on the complexity of your prompt and overall traffic, so be patient and let it work. When your video appears, watch it from start to finish to confirm the selfie angle, the sunrise glow, the fisherman's excited gestures, and the ambient ocean audio all come through. Small differences are normal. Generative tools interpret language creatively. If you want a slightly different vibe next time, adjust a few adjectives or add a short sentence about pacing or camera movement to refine the outcome. And that's it. By going to Google, typing Sora, opening the official site, writing a clear fisherman vlog prompt, and clicking Submit, you've learned the simplest path to creating a compelling fisherman vlogging clip with Sora 2.